When you buy a Patron, when you shake the bottom, has a lot of bubbles on the top because Patron has a lot of corn sugar, chemicals, has 49% of agave and 51% of lot of kind of sugar and chemicals. How's the start to make the process of my company? The plant, we cut the old leaf of the plant and we take the heart from the plant and we send the heart of the plant in an oven for 48 hours for start the cooking. After of cooking, we have a big machine to start to smash the whole trunk for we can recollect the juice, for we can start to make the fermentation. Fermentation is made because I want to degrade the whole sugar for get fructosa. Fructosa is natural sugar. People has problem with diabetic, problem with the colon. My tequila, it's gonna be good for your health. So I mean, it's good. After the fermentation, we make twice distillation. Why? My tequila is organic. It's not commercial. Patron selling amounts. My company has to wait long time. My plant grow up 12 years and we make with one plant 2 bottles of tequila because we have a lot of percent of agave. After of the twice distillations, amigos, we have this. We like to call younger, silver, USA I think is platinum, but in Mexico is tequila blanco. With the younger tequila, we make H. We have reposado, we have añejo, and also we have extra añejo. But how we make this? In Mexico, we don't produce oak. So where we buy it? At USA. Where? On Tennessee, on the house of Jack Daniels. Alright? So Mexico, make team with USA. That's why we have different kind of flavors. Reposado has on the old white barrel 12 months. Añejo, 3 years. And extra añejo has 7 years. This is the best of the best. It's the top shelf. It's only for 3 persons. Who? Me, myself, and I. Nobody else. No share with nobody. This is only for you guys and you same